Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be seeing a tutorial of shooting game in Scratch. And first I ask you all to take sprite called Rocket Ship and Rocks. You can reduce the size of it. For Rocket Ship, you can give 50, we'll see. 50, sorry. 50 it's enough. And for this 50, yes. Okay, so for rocket ship, here direction should be 180. You can choose anything. For me it's enough 180, so you can keep it in the middle. And next you can take a backdrop galaxy here. So galaxy is suitable to this, and so now we need the bullets to shoot, right? So for that you can take button 2 and you can reduce the size. I'll try with 5. I think it is suitable to me. Yeah. So now you can create a variable score. Yeah. So you can create the score. It will be here. So let's start the code for rocket ship. When the green flag clicked, and I want it to set score to 0. The green flag clicked, I want it to set the score to 0. And next, whenever it starts, you can take any position you want. So I will take for this position. Go to X. Yeah. So now I want it to repeat until touching rocks. I want it to repeat until touching rocks. Sorry, yeah. So touching rocks. Okay. So what should it do? Okay. So if then put it inside, and here if the you can choose like up arrow. Up arrow is blessed. I want it to change y. I want it to change y by you can choose 10. Yeah. So if duplicate it, you can duplicate it. And here if down arrow is pressed, it should change x by 10. And yeah, sorry, it should not change x by 10. It should change y only, but by minus 10. So let's see. It's moving, and how to come over here. Okay. So next we'll go for the rocks. Okay, when the green flag clicked, I want it should repeat 5 times. That it should create a clone. it should create a clone of myself and it will hide. So when the green flag hides, it will show. Okay, so this part is sent. This is our first part, and we'll be seeing the second part later. Okay, please subscribe this channel, like, share this video, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see rocket. By shooting game second part. So when I start as a clone, I will first of all I will show the rock. Yes, I want it to go only from here to here. So for that I will keep over here. It's showing y168. So go to x, y I will keep and pick random. I will give 160. Yes, so 168 and I'll keep down here. It's showing minus 145. So here I will give it minus 145 and put it over here. So go to x, y. So next it should repeat until what it will repeat touching rocket ship. Okay. So repeat until touching rocket ship. What should repeat? So go to variables. Here we have created only score variable. Also create a variable called speed. I will keep here and keep here. So change. So change x by speed. So we'll give speed. Okay. So now take a 2 if then loops. Okay. In the first we have to give like I think it's operators. No, yes, operators. Yes. Here what will give this side like this waiter. If here you can put like you can reduce 10 of it 168 and put 158 watt. So x position you can give. So I will put this over here and put this over here. What it will do? So you can duplicate this so it will be able to help in your yes. So that's what we will keep over here. You can keep 2 of it and also we will for here. And we'll put over here. The next, as we all know that button 2 is the bullet. Sorry, yes. As we all know, button 2 is the bullet. If touching button 2, then it will first change score by 1. It will first change score by it will put this over here and it will change score by 1. Put this over here and I want it to play a song called Magic Spell. Okay. So this ends with our second part and we'll also be seeing the third part. Please subscribe this channel, like, share this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see shooting game third part. So let's go inside the video. So we have done the code for rocks. So now we'll do the code for bullet, by button 2. So I will keep it in the right place. Yes. So we'll go to button 2. So when the green flag light, I want it to set size to 9. because we have given here 9, so we'll set size to 9 and it will hide. Okay, so next, how we are going to shoot the bullet. When space key is pressed, it will create clone of myself. Okay, so when I start as a clone, you can keep this bullet over here and see how much it is. X. So it's showing, I guess it's showing -77. So you can take a go to XY block and here you can give -77 and here you can give, and so here you can go to sensing. There you can find background of stage. Here you can make it to rocket ship, you can make it to Y position and keep it over here, and we need it to show too. We are hiding when the green flag clicked, so we want it to also show. So we are showing now and repeat until touching edge. You can find it now sensing. So here you can tell touching edge. So we'll keep it over here. And I want it to move 10 steps and delete this clone. So the green flag clicked, it's going to this position and it's increasing. So now we are going to see the game over part. So here keep on this and you can choose paint. Here you can give text game over. So you can change it. I usually use pixel, so we'll give pixel change. You can change the color of it and give better this color and increase the size of it too. Yes. So how we are going to show this, that we'll see. So you can find this rock sprite and here you can give a broadcast called game over. New message game over. So we'll give, and so for game over, when I receive game over, it will show. And so when the green flag clicked, it will hide. Yes. For rocket ship rocks button 2, like when I receive game over, it will hide. And stop other scripts in the sprite. You can find it over here. Stop all. And you can copy this code and paste it all. So when the green flag clicks, you can show it so that it will become show, otherwise it will become hide. So I hope you have understood, and please subscribe this channel, like, share this video, and don't forget to click this bell icon. And this is the last part. Bye.